Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and today we're going to draw for our winners for the Just Journal January. Now, if you put a post or something up and you didn't do the hashtag Just Journal January, then there was no way that I could go through all the thousands of comments and find it. So that's why I encouraged everybody to use that hashtag. I went through and pulled all that I found. I went over to Instagram, pulled those. I got the ones off of my emails where some of you had sent an email to me that didn't have Facebook or something like that. So I have pulled all that I found. So I'm hoping it's everybody. I'm pretty sure it is because I tried to go through as you posted your pictures and things up and grab them then. So I'm pretty sure I got them all. There was close to 100. So I'm pretty sure there's all in there. So it is 92. So what we're going to do, and I had to write all these down because there's no way to pull those names out of everywhere and put them in one location. So I had to go through and write everything down. That's why it's taken me a little while. And I know some of you have been very impatient about me drawing. But things like this do take a little time. It's not something that I can just do. Just pow, I got it done. It takes some time to do all this. I've got like 4 pages of names here. Plus I had to go through and search and, do all the different things. So it does take a little bit of time. So when we're going to have a giveaway, if I could ask you guys to just be patient, I will always make sure that I do the giveaway. I never say we're going to give away something and then don't. I'll always have the giveaway. Sometimes life gets in the way. Sometimes business gets in the way, and I have other things that take priority. But I will eventually get around to giving away, and I always put it up on my YouTube channel. So if you just check the YouTube channel, you're going to know when the giveaway was posted up, and you're going to see if your name was in there or whatever. I'm not dishonest. I don't say I'm going to give something away and then don't. So just keep that in mind if you would. Okay, I have put 1 to 92 in our random number generator. I've given everybody a number. So we're going to generate for the first number. 34 is the first number. So we're going to go down through here. And 34 right there. Deborah Lowe is number 34. So let me write this down. She's our number 1 winner. And I'll tell you what you win in a little bit. Now we're going to go back and we're going to generate a second number because we was giving 2 away. The second number is 15. So 15 is right here. Terry Donald. All right. So that is our 2 winners. And let me pull this over again. Deborah Lowe, number 34. And then it generated number 15. And that is Terry Donald, number 15. Now, what you're going to win is a package from Melina and I. And it's going to be a variation of some new products that we have in, some ephemera that we have made, some handmade ephemera, tags, pockets. We're going to have labels in there, different things. So it's going to be just a random package of items that you can use in your journal or in the next journal that you make. You may already have this journal filled up with goodies. And if so, then you can use it in your next journals. But it's all going to be items that you can use in your journals, in your mini albums, things like that, or to create your own ephemera. So I'm excited about that. I would love to get packages like that, which I do. Don't get me wrong. I get plenty of packages from you guys that has that kind of thing in it. And it helps me out because things are already made and I can use them in my journals. So I'm hoping that this will help you out too. Melina and I will get those packages out probably on Tuesday. Don't hold me to that date because something could happen between now and then that holds me back. But we will try our best to get those packages out by Tuesday in the mail to you. So I need Terry Donald and Deborah Lowe to email me at the email below, and I'll put it on the screen right here. It's ediwray@hotmail.com. I need you to email me at that email address and give me your mailing address, because I can't send these out if I don't have your mailing address. And let's see, these two people have 48 hours from the time this video goes up to send me the information. That should give you plenty of time to watch it and send me your info. If those two people don't send me their information, then we will come back on here and we will draw for 2 more people. So I think I'm giving you plenty of time to contact me. All I need is your mailing address, and we will get the packages out to you. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I can't believe that there was close to 100 journals made. I mean, that is crazy, and that is wonderful. I looked at every photo through there, and your journals are beautiful. Don't ever say that you can't make a journal, because you did. You did it, and they are beautiful. So thank you guys so much for participating. If you haven't downloaded your freebies, hopefully you have, but if you haven't, go over to our website. And just go to the website, and there's a little button that says blog. If you'll tap on that, it'll take you over to the blog. And there are tons of freebies on there that you can download for nothing. All you have to do is be a subscriber to our channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, these 2 people have to be subscribers to our channel. So before I check, if you're not, make sure you subscribe. We will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.